Hi. For those who don't know me, my name is Carissa. And I'm going to speak on behalf of Sione Lama. So I'm going to just stick to my notes because I don't want to be too long. So my grandparents are Palei Tuiano and Sione Tuiano. They had 5 children in Kolmotua. The oldest was Mafi Lala, then Sio Losi, the one that you guys heard speak before, and then Sione Lama, and then the youngest, my mother, Ane, which is the kahu there tonight. My late uncle, Sione Paleiono, was the most handsome one out of all the brothers, as you have already heard tonight. He had the best voice out of all the siblings. He had the biggest heart and the greatest personality. Palei was named after my late uncle. Everything my uncle was, Palei was exactly the same. The most handsome one out of his brothers, the best voice, and carried such a great heart for his family and others around him. My late uncle, Sione Paleiono, had 6 children, and they treated Palei not as a cousin, but as a father. Palei was the golden child of our family and was always what he wanted. Palei was spoiled so much by my uncle's children and from the cousins that sometimes he'd take advantage because he knew we couldn't say no to him. As I look around this room, and over the past week that I've been here since his passing, from the messages on Facebook, from the funeral home to the church, to here tonight, he wasn't just loved by our family, but by everyone he encountered over the 24 years he lived. To Aggie and the kids, please know that we love you so much and that we are here for you if you ever need anything. In the kids, I see his smile and his personality. In Aggie, I see his love that he had for you. To my Uncle Lama, Naenae, and the family, you know that we love you so much. No words can explain the pain you're going through, but lean on God and His love and His strength, for only He can help you get through this pain and this time. Even though Palei lived a short life, he lived a full life. What happened to Palei was a tragedy to all, but to God it was His timing that He wanted His son home. We may not understand the things that happen in his life, but all we can do is turn to God and trust His plans for our lives, even when the road is hard. We have lost one, but heaven gained an angel. Fly high, Sione Paleiono. We love you forever, and we'll forever miss you. Malo.